Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's head-to-head side crash test we have put two full-size SUVs. One of them is the Rivian r1s, a full electric vehicle, and the other one is the Jeep Grand Cherokee that has a classical internal combustion powertrain. And the results are quite impressive, both of them managing the highest crash test score, the top Safety Peak Plus Awards. And our conclusion is that it really doesn't matter if a vehicle has a classical powertrain or a full electric one. The safety can always be achieved in both cases. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you enjoyed, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.